Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. SPY is having a pretty nice morning so far this morning, up almost $4. We are sitting around 598.35. So let's go ahead and check all of our data and see where that lines up with everything we're trying to do. We were fairly bullish yesterday, but as you can see here, and I always talk about it, convergence was thin. We started to lose it, and then we continued on down with those big gray bars who went down. Remember, always keep an eye on convergence. We also managed to almost cover all of the gamma range yesterday, which is pretty wild. We did have let's see here, a very small red DEX. So we've been red, and a very, very tiny red DEX. So a bit of a thin the move there. Moving on down to our whale targets and our customer sentiment, 590. Which we almost hit, and 610 still in that range. We've just been making a nice big move up and down there. Let's see if that happens again, or if we lose 590 finally. Customer sentiment still bear, is moved up a little bit, but we're still in that short the pop mode. We just really need a great pop to short. Dark pools, largest ag is still 609.68, so keep an eye there. If we get a couple of bullish days or one very bullish day, that is a level we want to keep an eye on for where we're going. As always, mark the rest on your charts or ping the bot like I do in the Discord to get your levels for your chart there. Digging in to our gamma real quick, 588 to 598 right there. Pretty simple. We're already at this 598 in pre-market session. So over 598, believe it or not, the ag says we have room to 610. Pretty crazy. Big pull to 600. If we cannot hold 598, we're back into this range right here with this 590 being the biggest pull overall down to 588. That's on the aggregate. Let's check today to 27 and see what that looks like. We've gone by fast this week for some reason or another. Feels like it has at least. So 590, kind of the same spot there for our positive. Remember, we trade green to green and ignore the in-between. So we're already over these, and we're into this spot right here with this 599 pull. We're very close to that. So hold 595. We do have room up. One of the problems that I have, though, if we continue to move up, is we're going to have to get that gamma ramp, because we've got a lot of positive gamma right here stopping us all the way up to 605 with the biggest pull at 604. So interesting, if we can continue holding here, we do have room to 605. We just got some positive gamma we have to contend with on the way. We'll find out how that looks sooner or later today, obviously. So pretty simple. Got to hold 595 for upside. We could see some abrupt stops at 603 and 605. If we don't hold 595, then we're heading on back down to 590 again. Or maybe, because the market's been absolutely freaking crazy, maybe we get to see all of it in one day like we did yesterday. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.